Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A30s, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, go to Wallpapers and Themes, and now just pick the one that you would like to apply. So here you've got all the possible options. You can also pick some from these, for example top. Let me pick just 3 pictures, and if you would like to cover your screen with any of those photos, just pick the one that you would like to apply. We can pick avocado, and then click on download. Log in with your Google account, for example. And that's it. As you can see, this picture has been downloaded. Just click on apply and decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. Let me pick just home screen. And this is how it will look like. Click on set as wallpaper. And that's it. As you can see, the home screen, the picture has been applied to your home screen. And obviously you can change the lock screen the same way. Smoothly open the settings, go to themes, and then you can also pick some from these or here from the default one. Let me choose, for example, this one. And if you would like to activate it, just click on set as wallpaper. And now you can see that it is covering your lock screen. Here it is. So that would be all. This is how you can change both lock screen and home screen on your device, how you can set up wallpaper. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.